Okay, so let's have a look at Lightroom's new Denoise AI versus Topaz Photo AI. Not Topaz Denoise AI, the new Topaz Photo AI, which has the Denoise within it. So I'm going to take this into the develop module, and this image was taken at ISO 12,800, so it was pretty high. And if I zoom in to 100%, you can see there's lots of luminance and color noise throughout this image. I like this because it looks like he's almost getting a kiss here. It's really cute. But I was hand holding and it was overcast and he was moving and I was on a bridge that people were walking across, so that kind of needed the crazy high ISO so that I could get a decent shutter speed. So let's look at luminance noise, the regular noise reduction, and see what we get. I'll bring my sharpening down while I'm doing this. So in order to really get rid of it completely, I have to crank everything to 100%, which I really don't like. It kind of makes everything look plasticky and fake. So I'm actually getting a fairly decent result here. So here's before and after, before and after with that. So let's bring these down to 0 and we'll open up the AI version. See what that comes up with. So I'm going to look at the eye here because that's what really concerns me the most. So here's without the denoise and here's with the denoise. Probably doesn't need to be as high as it was. Let me see what it looks like in the surrounding areas. That's pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to click enhance and we're going to wait. Okay, so what this does is it spits out a DNG. So it's actually creating a copy of your image and turning it into a DNG file. I think it did an excellent job. So I'm going to save that one and then I'm going to take the other image here, the original raw. So this is 31 and this is 31 enhanced. And we're going to right click and say edit in Topaz Photo, the new Photo AI. And that'll edit a copy as well. Okay, so this is the edited TIFF and it looks, I mean, it looks pretty good, but it also looks a little bit like plastic. But then again, so does his skin. Let's have a look at the 50% view here so I can see a little bit more of the surrounding areas. The water just looks plastic, it looks fake. I'm really not loving that. So let's back off on the strength a little bit and let it think again. The thing about noise reduction, sharpening, all of these things is to do things in moderation, do them to where they're just enough, but not overdoing it. Yeah, that's really what it needed. It needed to bring the strength down. So at the very least, you can come in here and make some changes. And so I lowered the strength a little bit, and then we'll save that to Lightroom Classic. And then we'll compare the Lightroom Denoise AI versus the Topaz Photo AI. Alrighty, so here's the original raw. This is the processed with denoise in Lightroom. And this is the processed with Topaz Photo AI. So this one I've intentionally allowed a little bit more noise to return. And I think that in all honesty, I think the water looks a little bit more realistic. But I like the noise control on the alligator a little bit better with the Photo AI. So different subjects, I think, are going to benefit, in their own unique ways. But as far as I'm concerned, the more tools you have in your toolbox to improve your photos, the better. So is it worth it for Photo AI? Yeah, I think it is. I've tried the upscaling one as well, and it's very, very impressive. So I think it's worth the price. All right, I'll see you guys later.